What's the meaning of budge? Budge. Budge.
Budge. Budge. The word budge can have a few different meanings depending on the context. As a verb, it can mean to move slightly or to change position after being difficult to move. For example, if a heavy couch is stuck in a doorway and won't move, if you push hard enough and it eventually moves even just a little bit, that's budging. As a noun, budge refers to a type of fur or leather that was traditionally used for clothing, especially in Europe during the Middle Ages. Overall, the term budge is typically associated with a small or incremental change in movement or position, or with a specific type of material used for clothing.